We're gonna learn how we can install the Nuvio app on iPhone. It's the full-fledged Nuvio app for iOS. It's not the shortcut or bookmark. So firstly, you'll need an IPA signer apps like KSign or KSign, just like here. I have the eSign and KSign installed. In order to install the eSign and KSign, you can go to this website here, coinbn.io.bn. Links of the full video guides on how we can install the eSign and KSign on iPhone are given in description box. Just go there and watch the video and install the eSign and KSign successfully. You can just install any one of them. For example, I have the KSign. Now the reason why you need this KSign app is that you can launch the KSign, and it can be used to import the Nuvio IP app and then install it on your iPhone. Go back. Once you have got the eSign or KSign installed, you're gonna go to Safari and then you're gonna Google search for Nuvio IPA. Click on the first link here, this one, Nuvio Mobile iOS. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on the latest release, scroll down once again, and you're gonna tap on the third file or the second one, that is IPA. I have already downloaded this IPA file. Once you tap on the IPA file, it will begin downloading. Now once you've downloaded the IPA file, you can launch KSign or eSign. In my case, I'll launch the KSign. Tap on plus at the top and import the files. Select the Nuvio IPA file and open it. Tap on the imported IPA and then imported library. Go to second tab and thus you have the app here. Tap sign and install. Start signing. And now install. Go back to home screen. It's now trying to install here. And it's been installed. Long tap and add this to home screen, and now it's here. It's the original app. It's not shortcut or any bookmark. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.